Alright, I'll be saying how to do SAED. So first, you have to hold and let go. How I like to do it is, go to them, hold and tap again. Then you tap the bar to go to axe mode, but instead of let go, you swipe up to put the charges in your shield. Then you redo it. You redo the hold tap. If you want, you don't need to get any of your things, because it'll just do it. You can then do the SAED, and then you can do the same thing again and do the SAED again, you know?